Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Weight loss and getting into shape can be overwhelming and a little bit too much for some people because there are tons of things related to losing weight and getting into shape. Like you have counting calories, you have exercising, you have counting macros, and different tons of different exercises that you can do, and tons of different diets that you can try. So there are tons of things connected to weight loss and supplements and stuff. There are tons of things. So in this video, I'm going over the most important things, the holy trinity of losing weight and getting into shape and actually staying in shape. So you know exactly what to focus on if you want to get in shape. So in third place, we have cardio. Cardio is very important for losing weight, and because if you want to lose weight, you need to uh, burn more calories than you eat, than you consume. And if you spend a lot of calories with cardio, then it's much easier to have the right balance and to lose weight actually. So I would recommend you find a version of cardio you like the best. For example, I like soccer or football for us Europeans. Uh, yeah, I enjoy it so much, and I uh, do it very often. And because of that, I can afford to eat some unhealthier foods. But you don't need sports. You don't need to play sports. You can go for a walk. Like walking, if you do it regularly, going for a walk every day or maybe even twice a day for a little walk is a great way to lose extra calories. And in theory, yeah, you can actually lose weight and get into shape and stay in shape without doing any cardio. But it's really important for the heart and for the general health to do at least some form of cardio or staying active throughout the day. So if you don't like cardio, well, I know tons of people don't like cardio. Most people don't like cardio. So I would really recommend you do walk for at least, I don't know, 15 minutes or half an hour a day. I mean, it's not that it's not that hard, and you can get into a good habit of doing so. And yeah, um, it might be a good thing to get a dog or something. So you have to take care of him. You have to take care of him, and you have to go for a walk with him. So yeah, that might be a good solution. Okay, so the second thing, or the second place, whatever, uh, is exercise. With exercise, there are, like I said, there are tons of things that you can learn about and find different variations of trainings and various types of trainings. And what are my thoughts on that? Well, the most important thing is being sustainable. If your training schedule is sustainable, then it doesn't really matter what you do, because in the end, every exercise will do the job. Of course, if you want to get shredded and be a bodybuilder or something, then you will probably have to dive a little bit more into it. But for the average person, it's not that important. And the only thing that matters really is, like I said, consistency. And you can build consistency when you find the right exercises that you want. Like, um, so you need to see how much time a day would you like to spend on exercise. For example, you can do 20 minutes but do it every day, or you can do, I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours, but do it twice a week or something. Like, you need to find the right amount of time that you can spend. For example, if you're very busy during the week, then maybe you have only the weekend for exercise. So you can work out 2 hours on Saturday and Sunday, and maybe that's fine for you. So you need to find what works for you and what fits you the best, and what regimen you can do for the rest of your life. Like, are you able to stick with it? If you're not, then you're going to fall back right back into your old habits, and what's the point then? What's the point in getting into shape if you're not going to stay in shape? If you're getting into shape, then you have to do it for the rest of your life. You have to think about it for the rest of your life. But you don't need to overcomplicate. Like I said, you don't need to overcomplicate it. You just need to find a couple of exercises that you enjoy doing and do them consistently. Okay, so the last thing, or the number one thing on our list, the Holy Trinity, uh, is diet. And there is a reason it's number one. It's because it's the most important thing. There's a saying that diet is 80% of you losing weight and your looks and everything. If you don't find a diet model that fits you, then your exercises and your cardio, they basically mean not very much. If your diet is shit, then no matter how much you exercise or do cardio, um, you won't be able to balance it out. It's much easier to overeat than to spend it with any cardio, really. You can eat 2000 calories in like 5 minutes, literally. uh, and you need to like run for, I don't know, 2.5 hours to burn that much. So yeah, you need to find you need to find a good balance. And uh, while we're with while we're on calories, you don't need to track calories, but it would be very nice to see the, like, most of us have foods that we often eat, like most of the times the foods that you eat, and just you need to just learn how much it is. Not exactly, but you can learn approximately. So you can uh, for every foods that you eat, you basically know, okay, this is that much calories and this is that much. So you can calculate. You can unconsciously calculate how many calories did you eat in a day, and when you do cardio, then you can know, okay, maybe I can afford myself a cheat meal or something now. So if you're strategic about it, you can not spend much time on and effort on calories or macros or anything. You can just find the foods that you know approximately how much calories they have. And if you have consistent cardio and consistent exercise schedule, then you can find exactly the balance that you need for always staying in shape. At the end, it all boils down to calories in and calories out if you want to lose or gain weight. If you eat more than the maintenance, then you're gonna gain weight. If you eat less, you're gonna lose weight. It's that simple. So the trick is to slowly, step by step, if you want to lose weight, to remove the calories you eat or improve, I mean, do more cardio. So you lose weight until you get to a place where you're in a healthy weight and you're happy with your physique. So then you need to find a way to maintain it, to have the balanced diet and also have the balanced exercises and cardio. So you see, it's not that complicated, and they're not much. There are not many things that you need to know besides the things that I said, and yeah, we can talk about the various diets and how much calories and macros and all that stuff, but it's not really important. This is the important stuff, and if you implement what I said in this video, and if you implement what I said in my past video about the psychology about losing weight, there will be literally no problems, and this will be the only thing that you need for losing weight. So yeah, this is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and comment down below, and subscribe if you're new so you don't miss other videos in the future. And see you in the next one. Bye.